Okay, we're here on Kishaba, which is on Camp Foster. Looking across the way there, that's the Westpac, some of the towers here, and the new Zuccotti Elementary School right behind me. This is what's called 1418 Kishaba. In Kishaba, there's many different types of houses. There's the towers there, there's single family homes, and there's multiplexes. So that's where we are now. There's plenty of playgrounds. You can see one off in the distance. Wanda, are we going in B? Is that right?
Yes,
okay,
we're going in B.
Okay. So coming down here, or maybe C. Okay, C, because there's a cat up in B. Okay. And Wanda, remind me, who can live in this type of house?
This is can be senior NCO.
Okay, senior NCO. Okay. So there's a nice outdoor living area here. It's 2-story. There's the stairs going up. A good resilient floor. Well kept. There's some storage out here in the hallway. Just gonna pass by Lewis here. There's a bathroom, half bath. Thank you. And Lewis is standing in what's a lot of really good storage in these units. Under the stairs here for bikes and things like that. This is the living space. And also, I think dining room is what it can be used as, right? So, living space and dining room. Back here in the backyard of this particular unit is the old Zuccotti Elementary School. There's a playground that's still usable there, as well as an outdoor porch area here. Some people fence in, like little fences for little dogs or things like that. But there's no big fences to keep animals in. So the kitchen, pretty spacious here and open. Cabinets, dishwasher. Doesn't come with a microwave, but of course the oven, the refrigerator. Good lighting, good storage there. And this is like an eat-in kitchen area. Back to the outside, laundry. Let's go upstairs. And 1 bedroom here with storage and closet. And a 2nd bedroom here. Good lighting, good closet. And a full bath, so here's the master. And lots of storage out here too in the common space for linens. And another full bath, so this is 2.5 bath and 4 bedrooms. So lots of space in here, probably more than I've seen in most houses. These multiplexes are sought after. And there's a view outside. Again, there's playgrounds and lots of activity here in these neighborhoods.
Additional storage.
Additional storage here, so more than you normally see. Again, this is Kishaba Senior NCO Housing, 4-bedroom unit.